guys, it's Esperia here, and this is the first time you hear my voice. As you know, I usually prefer the music on my videos because I think my English is not so good, so I apologize for any mistake you will note. This is also my first tutorial because I want to show you how to create a base template you can use for different kinds of journals or albums, and even if the scheme is the same, you can apply it on a lot of different projects, changing the paper collection, the style, the colors, the embellishments, and so on. I am also glad to announce that I'm working on my Etsy store, and I think it will be ready for opening at early 2021. So stay tuned, you will receive news very soon. But now, come back to this video. This tutorial will help you to create the main structure base of your journal or album in 15 for 21 centimeters, approximately A5 size, but I promise I will realize a tutorial video for each one of my collection uploaded on my store. For this video, I'm going to use a paper collection which is not mine, but it's by First Edition, and it's the beautiful Mulberry Kisses paper pad, 8 by 8 inches. For this session, you need to prepare the following things. I will put the list below. 3 A4 size sheets in 3 different colors according with the main colors of your collection. 1 coffee dyed paper sheet in A4 size, 3 coffee dyed paper envelopes, choose the size you prefer, a smaller page which measures 18 for 13.5 centimeters. This is all you need for the moment. Let's go. Let's start with folding in half the first A4 sheet, which will become a large pocket between the pages of our journal. In this case, it's preferable to attach just the side borders using the adhesive tape and not the glue to make the junctions more resistant and cleaner. Then we can fold the other 2 A4 sheets, one for each colors we choose in coordination with our paper collection. Fold them with attention because the edges must match precisely. Now we must fold a coffee dyed sheet in 2 parts, one at 12.5 centimeters from above and one at 2.5 centimeters from below. Fold them carefully and then cut off the part that measures 12.5 centimeters. You must keep it for later, it's important. Now you need to grab your 3 coffee dyed paper envelopes in the size you prefer, it's not important. I choose these ones, 16 for 11.5 centimeters. Then we need to prepare a sheet in approximately A5 size. It must measure 13.5 centimeters for the base and 21 centimeters for the height. Fold the edge on the top of this sheet at 2 centimeters to create a little flip. Well, now we have the main structure of our journal, so we can start to assemble it. Glue the 2 sides of the first pocket you made, each one with a side of the 2 A4 sheets you folded at first. Pay attention to make everything fit together accurately. Now we have 2 pages, a large pocket and another 2 pages. Then take the 2 parts of the coffee dyed paper sheet you cut before. You have to glue the one with the little flip behind the first page of your journal in this way. And then use the second part of coffee dyed paper sheet to create a pocket on the last page of your journal. In this case, we must use adhesive tape to make the pocket more resistant. Now it's time to grab one of the paper envelopes. Glue the flip of the envelope and attach it on the right side of the last page of the journal, centered. You got another cute flip out. But we have not finished with this page. Take the A5 size sheet and glue the little flip on the top border of the page. And these are your double flips ready. To complete the main structure of our journal, we need to take the other two paper envelopes and attach them each other, leaving an opening between them to create a little pocket. To make this, use 3B adhesive tape strips on the three side borders of the envelope. Leave the two flips of the envelopes free. Now, to complete the main structure, you simply have to glue one flip of these envelopes on the edge of the last page, centered in this way. As you can see, you have a flip left alone. Now you have two possibilities. If you like the template as it is and you prefer a mini journal as this one, you can finish and glue this flip directly on a cover. We will see it in the next video how to create the cover for this journal. Otherwise, if you want a larger journal, you must use this flip to join this template to another one, and then to another one, and so on, as many times as you like. My tip is to repeat this structure for 5 times for a medium journal album size, or 10 times for a large and huge journal album size. I decided to create a medium-sized journal, so I prepared the other 4 of this template to have 5 parts repeat in total, and we will see how to join them in the next video. You will see that the layout, the template, the scheme is always the same, but the final result will always be different and satisfying for each journal you will create, according to the style of the paper collection you will choose, the colors and the theme, and obviously the decorations and embellishments you will add to customize your work. So enjoy your creative process without fear and improve your artistic skills every time, every journal, a little more. I really hope you liked my tutorial and my project. Please let me know your opinion in the comments and stay tuned for my next video, in which we will see how to decorate the pages and how to create a cover. Thanks for watching. Bye!